Hi, welcome to Channel Trading. Today I want to go over what I do after, for the first, after I draw the channels, what exactly am I doing? So, one of the things is I have the channels drawn. I've talked about this in the previous setup video, but just to give you a quick recap, I use three times 3 o'clock, 9:30, and 10:30 Eastern times. At 3 o'clock, for the first 2 minutes, encapsulating that I draw a channel. The same thing I do around 9:30 to 9:32. That's the candle. 10:30 to 10:32. I have another candle there. So once I draw that, that's when I'm kind of. I never trade at 3 o'clock. It's too early for me. So I just do nothing there. And then if you look at this, the first I draw this and I'm waiting what exactly happening at the extremes. That's an important thing that I'm looking at to only trade at the extremes. If it is breaking down or breaking up, going up. So after this first candle closes, I put the channel around it, and then I know the way it closed. It's pretty reddish, and it closed more than half down. My initial thought is it's negative, right? And then I put my order right underneath that, one tick underneath that, and as soon as it breaks down, it enters. I just ride it, and my first thought is this is a pivot support, and it's going to come stop here. So I'll take the first set of profits here, and then I leave a small portion out. I move it to break even, and then I'm just waiting for it to ride, right? Say I miss all of that, and you know, I have a full time job, so then I miss all of that, and I say, okay, at 10:30, let me look at what's going on. Again, it doesn't matter what it did before. I'm just looking at what happened at 10:30, right? It went up. Again, it closed the way it closed. I said, this looks more negative to me. And if it does close below that, then I'm going to go for it. And then my stop is above this one candle. So you never lose more than one candle. Okay. Always just remember that. That one thing, it's touted by quite a few trading gurus, but that's a good thing, that you will never lose your trading account because of that. Okay. Now put one tick below that, and then do the same thing, write it, right? And then at some point you can take out. Say you missed all of that. You look at this. It penetrated, didn't do anything. So this would be a good candle under which you can enter, right? It didn't go too far, but you got your 2 or 3 points easy out of that. Next thing, it went in, came out, went back out. Now this thing tried to go all the way to the top, and it couldn't do it. Now this is a very good candle that is showing you that there is negative sentiment, and I would again enter there. Okay, so this is how it is. And if you see end of the day, also you have the same thing. It went up, but then again it closed back down below this channel, and again you can write this, and this is like a almost 6.75 points. That's close to 300 points on just this one candle alone. So I mean, you can see what's going on here, right? So that's how I do the trading.